So traditionally, we all know sales calls have been a very big pain in the PETA, because especially if you see how these people actually operate, the person who's coming on the enterprise sales call, especially if it's a strategic sale call or probably a customer discovery call, especially more so if it's a competitive sales call, because when the enterprise customer is going to evaluate you and all of your competitors very closely, and especially more so if your product is a little bit complex, it gets very difficult for the sales folk to answer the questions about their own product because they're not aware. So traditionally, if you look at how these processes usually happen, is that they have like two or three people join there in the call with them. One person is totally dedicated for the taking the summarization of the or taking the notes of the call. Another person is like an expert advisor who steps in only when customer asks a question which the sales representative is not able to answer, right? And that becomes a very difficult process. What sales assist actually does is that you can upload battle cards. Battle cards are actually those ammunition, what I can call ammunition, or the PDFs where you do a proper analysis of you and your competitor and everything. And then you can upload the battle cards here. I'm just gonna go ahead with the demo here. I'm gonna upload the battle card here. Once the battle cards get uploaded, I can go ahead with a assist section here. So suppose I have a customer in here. Imagine they're going to ask me few questions. I'm gonna let's the customer is let's okay, sure. Imagine the customer being there is going to ask me a few other questions. What will actually happen is whatever question they ask, sales assist will you can come on you can come on this call, share your screen of the meet screen where meeting is happening, maybe Zoom or Google Meet or whatever. Uh, then you can let the magic happen. What will happen? It will extract whatever question is being asked by the customer right here. At the same time, you can ask AI to answer it for on your behalf. Let's see. So my last question for the Windsurf team, in order to close this $1 million enterprise deal, is what exactly is so different with Windsurf, which is not available in other AI-enabled IDEs, especially when it comes to the code indexing part. What is the proprietary technology which was worked? And this is, for our organization, this is a very important thing to know. And what exactly goes behind it? Let me ask the AI for the answer. And as soon as I click on the AI answer, you can see the sales representative can directly read aloud all of the things and the points from the provided um, data or the battle card, and they can answer it accordingly.